Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to boost LinkedIn profile impressions without premium step by step in 2026. Many people think premium is required to get noticed. The truth is, LinkedIn's search and feed algorithms reward activity, completeness, and relevance, not just a paid subscription. Let's see how to increase your visibility organically. Step 1. Optimize your headline and summary. Your headline is one of the most important search factors. Include your job title, key skills, and keywords recruiters or connections might search for. For example, digital marketing specialist, SEO, Google Ads, content strategy. Your summary should clearly describe your expertise, achievements, and career goals. Use short paragraphs and bullet points for readability. Step 2. Complete your profile fully. Profiles with missing information rank lower in searches, include work experience, education, certifications, skills, and accomplishments. Add media like projects, presentations, or portfolio links to increase engagement. Step 3. Add and optimize skills. LinkedIn allows up to 50 skills. Add all relevant hard and soft skills and get endorsements from colleagues. Endorsed skills improve your chances of showing up in recruiter searches and feeds suggestions. Step 4. Engage consistently. Activity boosts visibility. Post updates, share insights, comment on posts, and react to industry content. Engagement signals to LinkedIn that your profile is active and relevant, increasing impressions. Step 5. Grow your network strategically. Connect with colleagues, alumni, industry peers, and thought leaders. Profiles with more connections are more likely to appear in search results and suggestions. Step 6. Use hashtags and content wisely. When posting, use relevant hashtags for your niche. This allows your posts to appear in searches and feeds of people outside your immediate network. Step 7. Turn on Open to Work selectively. If you are job seeking, enable Open to Work with recruiter-only visibility. It increases your chances of appearing in searches without broadcasting it to everyone. Step 8. Update your profile regularly. Add new skills, achievements, or certifications frequently. LinkedIn algorithms favor updated profiles, so you appear more often in searches and recommendations. Step 9. Engage with your profile analytics. Check who viewed your profile and identify patterns. If certain keywords or skills attract more views, adjust your headline, summary, or experience accordingly. Step 10. Visual and social proof. Use a professional profile photo and banner. Get recommendations from colleagues or clients to increase credibility. Profiles with strong visual appeal and endorsements get more impressions. By following these steps, you can boost your LinkedIn profile impressions organically, without premium, and attract recruiters, opportunities, and industry connections faster. And that's how to boost LinkedIn profile impressions without premium step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more LinkedIn growth tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.